How to fix apps not working in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After update your internet connection, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up, down button and power button at the same time. Press and hold volume button and swipe up to restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.